Hey guys, this one's going to be really short, but I just wanted to talk really briefly about the rubric that we're going to be using to grade your college entrance essay, just so that everybody is aware of how they're going to be getting graded. These rubrics should look fairly similar to rubrics that you've used in the past or that you have seen in the past. These are department-wide rubrics that we're using, and you can see that content is worth 60 points, mechanics is worth 15 points, and then voice and style is worth 25 points. The biggest thing on the college entrance essay is that the voice and style is going to be graded pretty harshly. It's really important that you work on voice and style, which you'll see us trying to help you with as we go through the activities this week. So we're really going to be focusing on voice and style and how to put personality into an essay. So I just really wanted to point out that this area here, this voice and style area, is going to be really something we're focusing on a lot when we're grading this. So we're going to be kind of much harsher on this probably than we would be on an analytical essay. Because this is such an important component of that college entrance essay. But I don't know that I need to say much else about that. This is posted in the lesson resources. And if you have questions about the rubric, I'll be happy to entertain them.